In the figure below, the measure of angle ACB is 55 degrees. Find the measures of angle BRQ and angle RQC. The figure is not drawn to scale. We know this is 55 degrees. We need to know the measure of angle BRQ, which is this angle, and the measure of angle RQC, which is this angle. But we don't know the answer to those questions right away. We need to find other angles. For instance, we can easily find the measure of angle CAB because these three angles, angle C, angle A, angle B, they add up to 180, and this is 90. So if you subtract 90 plus 55 from 180, you're going to get 35 for this angle, and I'm going to write it here. Well, let's do it right here. Okay, now triangle APQ is isosceles, so this has to be 35 as well. All right, how about this angle? Now in triangle APQ, you know two of the angles. So from 180, if you subtract 35 plus 35, which is 70, if you subtract 70 from 180, you're going to get 110 for this angle. I'm going to label it outside. I'm going to get 110. All right. Now, if this is 110, these two angles, this has to be 70 degrees. Why? Because these two angles are a linear pair. Angle APQ and angle RPQ are a linear pair. So this has to be 70 degrees. Okay. Now triangle PQR is also isosceles, so this angle has to be 70 as well. I'm just going to put another arrow. Has to be 70. If this is 70, angle PRQ is 70, this angle, angle QRB, has to be 110. 180 minus 70 is 110. Okay, we're almost done. We found one of the two angles that we need to find. We found BRQ. Let's underline this. We need to find this last angle. Now note, we know that four angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360. This is 55, this is 110, this is 90. So this angle has to be, I'll tell you what this is, or this should be. I'm going to first take 360 and then subtract the sum of these angles. 90 plus 55 plus 110. And I'm going to get 360 minus 255. And I'm going to get 360 minus 255 is going to be 105. Let me double check. Yeah, that's 105. So this angle has to be 105. So those are my two answers, 105 degrees and 110 degrees. Now you want to double check. If you add these numbers up, this is 90. You should get 360. 105 plus 55 is 160. And 90 plus 110 is 200, and that adds up to 360. So these are my answers.